Robotics is having a lot of jobs and it is the future, and also a lot more opportunities are coming in 2025. We are going to break down the truth in this video. So make sure that you watch the video till the very end and subscribe to the channel. I am Aryan Chaguste and I am building Robotry to make robotics affordable, where we teach about robotics and also raw skill trainings. If you are interested, then the link is given below in the description. Let's move forward with this particular video. So are there enough jobs in robotics? Let's break it down. So in robotics, especially after your bachelor's, you are either pursuing a robotics degree or else you are coming from a different background. Let's assume both the cases, and the answer will be same for both of them. And also if someone is doing their master's or else has completed the master's as well, the answer will remain the same, right? And this is relevant in 2025. So especially calculating the scenario for the Indian market. So the robotics in the Indian market is just started, I will say, and the number of startups coming out is more, and the MNCs into the robotics space are very limited. Okay, MNCs means the big companies which hire, like Google, Microsoft and all those things. Likewise, a robotics company dedicated to the robotics field is very limited. And the second part is about the awareness. People are not aware about robotics, so that is also important for the job creation side. So the answer is the jobs are limited, but at the same time, in order to get a job in the field of robotics, you need to skill up. But even if the jobs are limited, the jobs are going to be limited in each and every field. Even if you go for the other fields, the jobs are going to be limited, and there is going to be the competition, and all the things are going to be the same, not only for robotics. But I will say the openings are limited, but you will get the job if you are skilled enough. Let's say you have developed the software skills for robotics, then the hardware stuff, you have built some projects, you have showcased the projects on some platform, or else multiple things come into the play, right? So likewise, you have to work on your technical skills and non-technical skills both, so that you can get a job in the field of robotics. And there are roles in the robotics market which come frequently. More roles are for the software side: robotics developer, ROS developer, robotics software engineer, then that might be the robotics engineer, robotics design engineer. Any kind of these roles come into the market, but more are for the software side. And the software requirements might be the programming languages and all those things. But this is not a video what skills you want. So this is a video where we are focusing on, are there enough jobs in the robotics field or not. So the simple answer is the jobs are limited in 2025, but it will grow eventually. Also, one of the most important reason is the population is more, so the labor cost here in India is less. So no one is going to hire a robot to perform a particular task. So that might be the harsh reality, but that's true. This doesn't mean that robotics will not come in India. Robotics, if the world accepts, or else the world is going towards AI and robotics, so I will say you should also get some skills where you can become relevant for that particular market. So at the end of the day, it depends upon you where you want to go. Not everyone is going to become a robotics engineer. So okay, ultimately the decision is yours. The jobs are limited, but at the same time, if you build a good profile, you have the technical skills, non-technical skills needed, there are jobs. You will get the job for sure. Okay, I hope you got something from this video. It was a short video. I just wanted to make this particular thing clear. If you want a kind of detailed video, just do let me know. I will make it accordingly. Just let me know in the comment section. And also you can get me connected on Instagram, LinkedIn, or else any other platform. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn and explore together. Bye.